So, did you play around with those tasks and create your own prompts? Here are the example prompts I would draft. And I'll of course start with the first exercise here, with the first task. The goal here is to create a short product announcement text for a new AI-powered website generator. Now, with this task in mind, here's the example prompt I came up with. You are a product marketer AI whose job includes the creation of highly engaging and high converting product announcement texts. So here I'm assigning a role to ChatGPT, and with that I already set some important context here. For example, I define that any output produced by ChatGPT should be text that's highly engaging and leads to a high conversion rate. I also make it clear that we're talking about product announcements here. Now, with that role set, I then define the goal of this prompt by writing, your goal is to write a short product announcement text for a new AI-powered website generator. So here I'm basically picking up the text that was set by the task, and I'm setting this as a main goal for ChatGPT. With that out of the way, I then add some extra context. I define the intended output length, that it should be less than 400 characters long, and I set the target audience, that it has no programming experience and is not necessarily tech savvy. Then I also add some extra request to this prompt, you could say, by adding this piece of context. Highlight key advantages of this new product, the ease of use, finished websites in minutes, and highly customizable. Now, of course, I totally made that up. That's not part of the task, and if you did not add this, that's absolutely fine. This is just an example here, and of course, in real life, it would be realistic that we might want to highlight certain advantages of the product we are launching and that we know such advantages. That's why I'm including them here. Now, as you can see, with that prompt, I did indeed use short, focused sentences. I also added important keywords, like these advantages here, that it should be a short text, that it's a product announcement text. I described the product itself, and I added highly engaging and high converting here for extra context. And I did also define the target audience and the length of the expected output. I only indirectly set the tone and style here simply by defining the target audience in the end, that it has no programming experience and is not necessarily tech savvy. That should ensure that the response doesn't include any terms or wording that's not easily understood by a non-tech savvy audience. Now, I did not set any specific output format because I'm happy with standard text. Now, if I send this prompt to ChatGPT, I therefore get a result. I get this product announcement text. And as you see, it is pretty short. As requested, it's definitely less than 400 characters long. It includes the key information I wanted to include, and I would argue it definitely targets a non-tech savvy audience. Now, could you refine this? For sure. I could, for example, add a follow-up chat message where I tell ChatGPT to also add a call to action paragraph that prompts users to sign up for a free demo, because it would probably be realistic that if we had such a product, that we would be offering some kind of trial period or free demo, and adding this to the product announcement could make a lot of sense. So therefore, by sending this message, I also get this additional paragraph, which I can add at the end of that announcement text I got before. ChatGPT even tells me where I could insert my link that leads to the demo website. And that's therefore my solution for this first task. Now, definitely also share your solutions, because we're all going to learn way more if we share our experience with each other and if we share our learnings with each other. So definitely go to the Q&A section and share your prompt solution there, and let me know which example prompt you came up with.